Good day and welcome. I'll be answering WAEC 2020 Mathematics Past Question 3. Simplify 16 all over 9 raised to the power of minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of minus 3 over 4, everything in brackets raised to the power of 1 over 3. So this question is from Indices, so I asked to simplify these given indices. Now we have 16 all over 9 raised to the power of minus 3 over 2 multiplied by 16 raised to the power of minus 3 over 4, then everything raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now 16 all over 9 raised to the power of minus 3 over 2 simply means 1 all over square root of 16 over 9 raised to the power of 3, then multiply by 16 raised to the power of minus 3 all over 4 simply means 1 all over the fourth root of 16 raised to the power of 3, then everything raised to the power of 1 over 3. Now this is equal to, in brackets, now the square root of 16, 1 all over square root of 16 will be give us 4, and square root of 9 will give us 3. So 4 all over 3 cube, then multiply by 1 over the fourth root of 16 is 2, so 2 cube also, everything is power of 1 all over 3. Now this is equal to 1 over 4 cube is equals to 64 all over 23 cube is equals to 27, then multiply by 1 all over 2 cube, which is 8, everything is power of 1 all over 3. Now this is equal to 1 all over 64 over 27, the same thing as saying 27 all over 64 multiplied by 1 all over 8 raised to the power of 1 over 3. So this is equals to 27 all over 64 times 8 to give us 512 raised to the power of 1 all over 3. Now this is equals to the cube roots of 27 all over 512. Now cube root of 27 is equals to 3, and cube root of 512 is equals to 8. So the answer to this question is 3 over 8, and that is option C, 3 over 8. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to our channel for more videos and past questions.